What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access Gemini AI from Gmail. So let's get started. Firstly, just go to this Gemini website like this, and then go over here with say chat with Gemini over here, and then it will ask you to sign in over here, or let's say over here as well. So just go choose any one of this, and then over here you have to choose your account. So use your account if you have already logged in, or you can use another account or anything. So I just choose my Gmail over here like this, and just log in with everything, with password, email, and that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.